Going out to all y'all bitches out there. If you don't have no fucking real ice on your ass, get the fuck away from me. You know I got the goddamn Glock on me, nigga. The fuck you thought this was? Fuck everybody. Fuck everybody, nigga. And if you don't have no real grills up in this bitch, leave. Leave the fucking house, nigga. Leave the fucking house. Go out in the streets. Go out on the streets, cuz. Up in the wrong hood. Put your money where your mouth is, bitch. Yeah, no nigga robbing me cause nigga try to run up on me. Nigga try to run up on me. This is what's gonna happen if a nigga try to run up on me. This was gonna happen. Just watch. Nigga run up on me. This is what's gonna happen, nigga. This is what's gonna happen.
Tell me when
Go ahead.
Oh, go ahead.
Ass, nigga. Beating your ass, nigga, with this goddamn pistol. Light your ass up. Y'all keep fucking with me. This is what happens. Let me type in Draco. Draco. Did y'all go to that cringy, what is it called? That cringy, what is it about? That cringy Corporate concert. Man, how do you spell Draco? Draco. Nigga fucking with me, I'll shoot his ass. Nigga, let me take this shit out. Cause that's the wrong one. We got the big stacks up in here, cuz. I be stacking up in here, cuz. Got the big stacks. What a fool you thought this was? My battery better get off of that stuff before I get the busting up in here. I get this goddamn truck dog off my ass, nigga. Before I go after the and business ass nigga. Nigga, we'll go get the goddamn drop cut. Nigga, the fuck? Nigga, I'm ready to get and get shot up in here. Y'all think I'm scary? Y'all think? And I get this vest on me. And I keep this vest on me. Vest on me. Vest on me. I don't want to do with a vest on me, cuz. On hood. Okay, guys, that was a video of me acting gangster. So, yeah. That was a video of me acting gangster. Bye. What y'all puss asses.